Want to supercharge your content with realistic comment screenshots in seconds? Today I'll show you how to use Document to generate authentic-looking comment images, perfect for social media, reels, mockups and more. Step 1. Open your browser and head to document.com. You'll land on a clean interface, where you can create custom comment images. No sign-up required. Step 2. Here's how you build your screenshot. First, upload or choose an avatar for the commenter. Second, add a verification badge to make it look official. Third, enter the username. Fourth, compose the comment text. Step 3. Once you're happy with how it looks, hit download. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more content creation hacks. Thanks for watching.